Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Aberdeen Southern Pines. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located less than 5 minutes drive from Central Aberdeen, this hotel 35 miles drive from Central Fort Bragg. Features include a seasonal outdoor swimming pool and laundry facilities. Cable TV and a telephone are provided in the simply decorated rooms at the Super 8 Aberdeen Southern Pines. Rooms are also equipped with air conditioning and a private bathroom. A 24-hour reception and a sun terrace by the pool are available to the guests of this Aberdeen Super 8. Coffee is offered in the mornings. Moor Regional Hospital is 10 minutes drive from the hotel. North Carolina Speedway is 20 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.